Hi everybody, it's Kathy here, and today I am joining you with a scrapasketch creative team layout that I've created for www.scrapasketch.com, where Lisa Sikorsky provides a sketch every Friday on her Facebook page, and this is sketch number 170. So I am creating this today on this fantastic scrapbooking coach paper. Look at it, it's just beautiful. That mixed media background is amazing. Using a messed up circle or a messy circle from Design Studio in Cricut, I cut out the cut file to create the circle that you saw in the sketch, and that is the basis for my layout. And I just love that all the work is already done on this paper for me. So I then used the paper from Lisa's Paint a Rainbow range to create my tags, which I'm tucking in behind my photos, and you can just see that the rays on that page are just perfect for the colour scheme of the layout. Now these photos are of my son when he was 21, and he was just opening up his birthday present from my mum and dad to him. My dad was very proud of this score for my son. It was a halo helmet, which was all the rage at the time, and it is a numbered piece, so there aren't too many of them, and he really traded with the person who had it in his shop to actually claim that piece. So this is a double photo layout, which makes a great option. It has lots of potential, as you can see. The circle is amazing. I've gone with the messy circle sketchy appeal. You could do overlaying circles, you could do mixed media circles, you could stitch a circle. Lots of options for this particular sketch. So I've also used some cutouts from the Design Studio on my Cricut as well to get the controller and the control buttons there that you see that I'm building up the clusters as per Lisa's sketch. Now, as I said, this is a Friday sketch from Scrapasketch, and I will put all the details down below for the Facebook page where you can go every Friday and get a new sketch inspiration. But also check out www.scrapasketch.com, as that is a place where Lisa has her premium sketches, which she releases every month. Also, she is selling her ebooks on script sketches, and she has one that's a single page focus and another book that's a double page focus, and they are fantastic inspiration as well, especially when you have that creative block happening. So I'm now using my white pen to do the highlights, and I just realised that those clusters are a little bit less full than I would like them, so I've gone and got the negatives from the Cricut die cuts, and I'm just adding those into the clusters to build them up. Now it still needs a little bit more, so I went and collected the extra die cuts that were sitting on my desk, and these were all the little circles that came out of the controller, and I'm just building up my whole overall effect here on the layout. So you can see that the 3 cluster points are filled as well. Once again, I'm using my white gel pen to increase the highlight points to make sure that those pieces pop up off the page and give dimension to it. So using these gold lettering thickers, I am just putting in the title at the top where Lisa has it on the sketch, and I'm calling this one Score. So this is a pretty simple layout to create, but it is very effective, and I really do like how this has come together. You too can have a go at this layout. It's very, very easy, and you can, as I said, it can adapt for lots of things. You could use flowers for your clusters, you could use butterflies for your clusters, you could use cogs, you could use clocks, you could use car pieces. There's so many different options that can come out of this layout that is so cute. Now to finish it off, I'm going to use some pops of colour, and you've just seen that it's a brand new pops of colour. I get these from scrapbook.com. They are the best. I love them. This one here is a gold glitter one, and when it dries it will be see-through, and it will be just like a glitter enamel dot on the page, which is just an extra special addition to the page. Go check out scrapbook.com for these pops of colour, I seriously recommend them to you. They flatten out beautifully because they are a creamy base, and look at that, just gorgeous. And you finish off your clusters and it just builds a perfect addition to your layout. So this is how it's come together. I'm very impressed with the sketch. I will probably reuse it multiple times, and this is just an amazing way to pull together 2 photos on a page with a little bit of clustering and a little bit of identity with your circling. And as I said, you can do your circles multiple ways. You don't have to use a die cut machine. Go check out the Facebook page. You can also find Lisa on Instagram. As I said, she has her sketchbooks in the shop. She has a Facebook shop as well, which I'll have all the details down below. Check out this amazing layout using sketch number 170. You won't be disappointed. You will actually like working this sketch. I know I did, and I can't wait to see what you do when you go over to the Facebook page and upload your layouts. Happy scrapping, everybody. See you next time. Here's my next video for you.